tutorial subscriber request of Toni Braxton's I Wish. And it's in the key of E flat, so it's going to start off with an E flat, which is E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, and a G. Dropping down to a C minor 7, C, C, B flat, E flat, and a G. F minor 7, F, C, F, A flat, C, E flat, B flat, F, B flat, D to F. Just move your pinky down to the A flat, to the G minor 7, G, D, F, B flat, and a D. Back to C minor 7, back to F minor 7. This is A flat with a B flat in the bass. A flat, C, E flat with a B in the bass. So that little lick is B flat, C, E flat, F, back to the E flat, C minor 7, F minor 7, B flat, A in the bass, G minor 7, back to C minor 7. This is where it's different. F minor 7, walking back up to G minor 7. A flat minor 7, A flat, E flat, G flat, B, E flat, G flat. Let's see. I forgot how I played that. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, B flat minor 7, B flat, F, A flat, D flat, and a F. So that's just after you do that, you're just gonna go back to the E flat, C minor 7, F minor 7. Repeat. She just her verse. A lot of these are the same chords. You don't have to do that every time, but I just did it that time. Just demonstrate it, to throw that in there every now and then. Just remember this walk up. F minor 7, G minor 7, A flat minor 7, B flat minor 7. Okay, now the only other part I gotta teach you is the bridge, which is B major 7. That oh baby. All that is B major 7, B flat minor 7 to E majors. E flat, major, E flat, B flat, E flat, G, B flat, and E. I think you play this like maybe 3 of you play that. Heartbreak is gonna be the case. Let's see. I hope she cheats on you with somebody between the two. I swear. Let me see. Yeah. Laughing at you every day. So you come out of that, to come out of the bridge, you're just gonna play a B flat sus 2. No. No. This is that A flat again with the F, but you're gonna add this F, which would make this a, that is a F minor 7. A B flat in the bass, okay? So, and then you're just gonna go a little. think that's pretty much all the chords. Till you come back to, I'm saying, come back to me. Like you did me. I'm saying, now the ending is a little bit different. You're gonna be on that E flat, C minor 7. We already talked about that. And then now the ending gonna go A flat major 7, A flat, E flat, G, C, E flat, G, G minor 7, G, G, B flat, D, F, F minor 7 again, A flat with a B flat in the bass, ending on E flat. So, pretty easy song. Yeah, nice song. So I hope you get something out of it. If you did, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.